Hi everyone, welcome to our fully online Research Methods week. I am out of town at a conference this week, as I've announced the past two classes, but our class is still doing stuff this week. We just won't be meeting in person. So the biggest thing I wanted to make sure that you know is to please don't show up in class on campus on Wednesday. Everything that you need to do, you can do completely online. So here, I just wanted to make sure that you know what you need to accomplish this week. First, the lecture for this week is completely online. If you look below this video, there's a link, a YouTube video about experimental design. So that is your full set of lectures this week. So watch that about experimental designs. There is an assignment about experimental designs below that you will complete using, it's based on that TV show Mythbusters if you've ever seen it. And then a few more announcements. I want to make sure that you know your observation project presentation is due in class in 2 weeks. So last week we worked on making tables and figures. What you need to be doing with your groups over the next 2 weeks is making your PowerPoint presentation and deciding who is going to do what part of the presentation. To help you prepare for that, I have another video linked below about what needs to go in your PowerPoint presentation, so please watch that. And then there's a discussion board that you need to participate in before Wednesday at 5, 4 points, where I want you to brainstorm with your group about who's going to do what part. So decide who's going to do the intro, who's going to do results, etc. So watch that video about the PowerPoint presentation below, and then do the discussion board with your group about who's going to do what. And then the final thing I wanted to remind you about is that the data that you're collecting for your survey research project is due in 3 weeks. So you still have a lot of time to go hand out those surveys and get your data collected. So that's just something I want you to keep an eye on. It's not something that's due immediately. In the meantime, we're going to be working on other pieces of that paper. So make sure that you're still working on both your projects and get the experimental designs lectures done this week. And then I will see you back in class next week. So I hope you all have an excellent Wednesday.